1080p Full HD, two-way audio, motion and sound detection, night vision, 8x digital zoom, and free rolling 14-day cloud storage. This little camera packs a lot of options. Let's check them all out. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day so far. My name's Adam. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Wyze Cam V2 1080p Wi-Fi indoor camera. When I bought this camera, I was initially looking for another motion sensor like what I've got in my kitchen, but I figured for an extra $5, I could get the added benefit of a camera that I could actually monitor from anywhere in the world, providing the Wi-Fi works as well as what I've read in the reviews, on top of just having an alert whenever there's motion in my house and I have no idea what could be causing that motion. Do me a favor, if you like today's video, hit that like button for me. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Now let's go ahead and dig into this box and see what all comes with it. Set it up, see how it does. We'll talk about it afterwards. So looking over the box, Wyze Cam 1080p HD Wi-Fi indoor camera. 1080p Full HD, night vision, two-way audio, 8x digital zoom, motion and sound detection, free rolling 14-day cloud storage. Just a general model information on the back side of the box. And then a little bit of a picture about the app. Alright, let's open it up. Wow, it's smaller than I thought. Set that there. So here is the camera itself. And this thing is tiny. Just to give you an idea, here is my cell phone, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And here is the camera. I mean, the thing is just tiny. Alright, let's see what else we got in this box. Quick start guide. How to set up, light indicators, FCC stuff. Power cord, some silicone gels, and the power brick. This cord looks plenty long to mount it just about anywhere, and you should not have trouble finding an outlet. Put this stuff, well, we'll keep this out. We don't need this. Let's peel the cover off of the camera lens. All right. Let's see what we got to do to get this thing going. In the box, the Wyze Cam cable, power adapter, quick start guide, wall plate, and mounting tape. Alright, back to front setup. Download the Wyze app and create an account. Connect the camera to a power outlet and wait for 20 seconds until the yellow status light flashes. Press the setup button for 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. And the setup button is right there on the bottom front corner of the camera. And then follow the Wyze app to finish the setup. Alright, let's download the Wyze app and get started there. Alright, so I've got my phone with me. Let's go to the Play Store. Back out of that. Search for the Wyze app. W-Y-Z-E. Wyze Cam app, I guess. Alright, install. Alright, it's installed. Let's open it up. Email address and password. Or create an account. Let's do that. Alright, so I've created an account with my email address, entered my password. Now I need to check my emails for my verification code. Okay, I downloaded the app. I've created an account, got my email verification code and entered it in. Now we're going to finish the setup. Alright, it's telling me about some bug fixes that I must have recently rolled out. New device. Download the Wyze app, create an account. Alright, so going by the setup rules here, we got the app and account set up. Now I need to go plug the camera in, check that out. Okay, so we've set the camera up in the location that I want to put it at. Got it plugged in. Held down the setup button for 3 seconds. Now it's telling me it's ready to connect. Open the app up, push new device. And it is the Wyze Cam. Alright, did that. Pull the base away from your Wyze Cam. Finish setup under cam. I heard ready to connect. Next. Your location is used to scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Okay. Allow. Select your network. Alright, so I've got the 5G and the 2.4 network. This does not look like it works with 5G networks. So we'll stay here. I'll pick the regular network. Enter my password for my network. Next. Now I need to go scan this code with the camera.
QR code scanned. Wait.
Alright, I don't know if you heard the camera, but it did say that it scanned the QR code. So I will check that. Hit next. Alright. Wants us to name the device. We'll call it the living room cam. That's where I have it. Finish. Let me see. Your device is automatically enrolled in a 2-week free trial, no credit card required. Alright, I don't want that, but it's a 2-week free trial. I'll just continue and cancel it later. Share with a family member. No, I don't think so. Pinch to zoom. Oh, a new firmware version is available. There's always a new firmware when I get a new product. Alright, we'll upgrade it. Upgrade. Please do not turn off your Wyze Cam during the firmware upgrade. The upgrade takes up to 5 minutes and I can exit this page while it's in progress. The camera will reboot after the update is complete. Almost done. 99%. Oh. I didn't pay attention to the time on the phone when I started the update, but it says it's 2 o'clock now. That was at least 5 minutes, I would say, and after that waiting, it failed anyway. So let's pinch to zoom. I guess it wants us to try it out. Alright, set the video quality to HD or SD for higher speed or higher quality. We want to leave it on HD. More video and photos in an album. Record a video to your mobile device. Alright, So the picture looks pretty good. I mean, it's pretty sharp. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Let me zoom you in there. But here, oh, can we go full screen? Oh, we can't go full screen. All right, so as you can see, the picture is very sharp. I've got it in the corner here. There's my front door over here, my back door, and then the door along this wall that goes to the garage. You guys can also see my makeshift YouTube studio that I've been using for my videos. It's behind a corner lamp. Anyway, the picture is very sharp. I'm very happy with it, especially for how big this camera is. I got the timestamp there. So let's go back to small screen. And we can do sound on, sound off, record, voice, take a photo. Let's see what else we can do. Go to more, time lapse. So a time lapse, I suppose, I'm not really sure what a time lapse will be used for. If you guys know what a time lapse would be useful for with a security camera like this, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to, know. And I'm sure I'll play around with it later on also. All right, X out of that. Settings, event recording, schedule all day, record an event when camera detects motion and or detects sound. So, I will set up a schedule later so that it only starts recording when it detects motion when I'm at work. Let's back up and check the next settings. Notifications. Send notifications when it detects motion or sound. Detection settings. Sensitivity low or high. Detection zone. Sensitivity for sound. Play around with that later on. Alarm settings. When the camera detects selected alarm sound, it generates a 12-second alert video and sends you a push notification. Well, I've got smoke alarms all over the place, so I would really like to know if I got a smoke alarm going off when I'm not home. A carbon monoxide alarm I do not have, so I don't need to turn that on. Advanced settings. Night vision mode, auto, leave that alone. IR lights, yes. Camera status light. I can't even see a light on the camera right now. Rotate image, no. Timestamp watermark, yes, we want to leave that timestamp on there in case we ever need it for evidence, or I'm just curious as to what time something happened. Show the Wyze logo. That really doesn't make much of a difference to me, so I'm going to leave that one alone. Schedules and automations. Create rules to automate your devices. Schedules control devices based on the time of day. Device triggers connect multiple Wyze devices so one can trigger another. Shortcut runs actions when you tap them from the home screen. I will set up rules later if I want to. Share. I guess that's if I want to invite somebody else to view this camera other than me, which I don't. Extended devices, I don't have any. And then there's the plug-in version number. All right, so let's, I guess that's all I'm going to do for now. Well, let's see what happens if I take a photo. Allow. All right, so save to album. And let's try recording one. I'll just walk in front of it. I'll push record, walk in front of it, and we'll see how it looks on the record playback. All right, so I'm at my front door. This is a good way to see if it'll pick me up. We know it sees the back door, and I know it'll see the garage door, which is right here. All right, stop recording, view playback, no micro SD card. So I wonder where it recorded it to. More album. Oh, there it is. Let's check it out. So I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but it's automatically outlining me in the video, which is pretty cool. It did see me at the front door, so it's a good position for that. Good position for all three of my doors. All right. So far, I think it's a great purchase. All right, let's get out of here, and we will get back to the talking head wrap-up section of this video. So, the Wyze Cam 1080p Wi-Fi HD indoor camera. Is it a win? Is it a loss? I think it's a win. The picture is crystal clear. There was almost no delay that I saw between what was going on and what I was seeing on my phone. It was only roughly $25 when I bought it, so you can't beat the price. It comes with the free rolling 14-day cloud storage, which I still have to set up, but if something happens, you don't have to worry about a micro SD card. If somebody steals your camera, the video is still uploaded to the cloud, and you can download it onto your phone to show the police or whoever anytime for the next 14 days. And if you need to keep it longer, you just save the video to your phone or to your computer, and you've got it until you decide you don't want it anymore. What did you guys think? Were you impressed? Were you kind of let down? Is there a better option for the price? I mean, when I looked, I really couldn't find one, but I didn't look too awful hard. This got probably the best reviews out of all of them I've seen for the price of the camera. There's no wires, no hard, heavy-duty, permanent installation that needs to be done to it other than plugging it into a wall like anything else. And it's supposed to work with the brains of the house, which I don't want to say her name. I don't want her to light up, and I don't want your guys' devices to light up if they hear me over the TV. Again, let me know what you guys think. If you figure out the time lapse, what it would be useful for, please post a comment down below. I would love to hear. If you guys are interested in picking one of these up for yourself, or if you're interested in anything else that you might be wondering about in this video, the gear I'm using, the lights, the accent light behind me, the monitor, the microphone, links for all of that are down below. Take you straight to Amazon and you can check one out for yourself. That about wraps it up for today. Again, if you guys like this video, please do me a favor and hit the like button. If you want to see more of this type of content, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see something else that I haven't covered yet, or you want to see me cover something else, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. Have a great day. Thanks.